Unlock the secret to generating a passive income explosion with affiliate marketing and AI. In this video, we'll dive into the latest strategies and techniques to maximize your earnings with minimal effort. From leveraging AI-powered tools to optimize your affiliate campaigns, to creating a lucrative online business that runs on autopilot, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video is packed with actionable tips and insights to help you achieve financial freedom. So, if you're ready to take your passive income to the next level, be sure to watch until the end. Passive income streams have surged in popularity, with global interest in passive income-related searches growing by over 150% in the past 5 years. This remarkable rise reflects a shift toward financial independence and flexible earning opportunities. One of the most effective ways to tap into this trend is by combining affiliate marketing with AI. Affiliate marketing has long been a reliable method for earning passive income, allowing individuals to promote products or services and earn commissions without handling inventory or customer service. When paired with AI, this process becomes even more powerful. AI tools can analyze consumer behavior, identify high-converting products, and automate marketing efforts, freeing up your time while maximizing results. Imagine AI creating personalized email campaigns, generating SEO-optimized content, and running data-driven ad campaigns on your behalf, all designed to increase traffic and conversions. With these advancements, affiliate marketers can scale their efforts and earn more while working less. By embracing this innovative approach, you can position yourself at the forefront of a rapidly growing passive income revolution. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based earning model where you promote products or services from a brand or retailer and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral links. The process typically involves signing up for an affiliate program, selecting products to promote, and sharing them through your blog, social media, email, or other platforms. Success hinges on driving targeted traffic to your affiliate links and encouraging conversions. AI plays a transformative role in optimizing affiliate marketing campaigns by automating tasks, analyzing data, and enhancing decision-making. AI tools can identify trends, predict consumer behavior, and provide insights into which products or campaigns are likely to perform best. The benefits of integrating AI into affiliate marketing are significant. Automation reduces the time spent on repetitive processes like content creation and ad targeting. Data analysis helps refine strategies, improving conversion rates and maximizing ROI. AI also enables real-time tracking of performance metrics, so you can quickly adapt to changes and optimize your campaigns for better results. By combining affiliate marketing with AI, you create a streamlined, efficient system that allows you to scale your efforts, reach a broader audience, and boost your passive income potential with minimal ongoing effort. This approach not only saves time but also unlocks new opportunities for growth in the competitive online business landscape. One of the most transformative strategies I've implemented in affiliate marketing is using AI-driven email marketing tools like MailChimp paired with an advanced AI content generator like Jasper. This combination has revolutionized the way I connect with my audience and drive conversions. For instance, Jasper helps me craft highly engaging and personalized email content tailored to my audience's interests, while MailChimp automates the process of delivering these emails at optimal times. By leveraging AI to analyze subscriber behavior and preferences, I've been able to send targeted campaigns that resonate deeply with my audience, resulting in open rates of over 40% and click-through rates that consistently outperform industry averages. A real-world example is a campaign I ran for a digital marketing course affiliate product. Using AI tools, I segmented my audience into groups based on their engagement levels and tailored the email content accordingly. Within 2 weeks, this campaign generated a 25% increase in affiliate sales compared to my previous campaigns without AI. Feedback from subscribers has also been overwhelmingly positive, with many appreciating the value-packed, personalized emails that feel more like a conversation than a promotion. This powerful combination of tools and strategy has not only boosted my income but also strengthened the trust and loyalty of my audience. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. Leveraging AI tools can streamline and optimize this process, making it even more efficient and scalable. AI-powered tools can help identify trending products, analyze market demand, and create personalized marketing strategies. Content creation becomes faster and more effective with AI, as it can generate blog posts, social media captions, and even videos tailored to your audience. By combining affiliate marketing with AI, you can create a system that works around the clock, reaching a global audience and maximizing your income potential. This approach not only saves time but also increases accuracy and effectiveness in targeting the right audience. With the right strategies and tools, building a sustainable passive income stream is more achievable than ever. Canva's AI tools help create eye-catching graphics, infographics, and social media posts that enhance your affiliate promotions. It's simple to use and great for making professional-looking designs to grab attention and drive clicks. Create visually appealing pins or ads for platforms like Pinterest and Instagram to promote your high-ticket products. Jasper is an AI content writing assistant that generates engaging blog posts, email campaigns, and product reviews. Craft compelling sales copy and long-form content to showcase the value of your high-ticket affiliate offers. Use Jasper's templates to make the process quick and effective. Pictory uses AI to turn blog posts or scripts into professional videos. Create YouTube videos reviewing high-ticket products or explaining their benefits. Add affiliate links in the description for conversions. Surfer SEO combines AI with SEO strategies to help rank your content higher on search engines. Optimize blog posts and website pages targeting keywords related to high-ticket products. Surfer SEO ensures your content ranks for competitive terms, driving organic traffic. This AI-powered email marketing tool is excellent for building email sequences tailored to your audience's behavior. Ad Creative generates high-converting ad creatives for platforms like Facebook and Google. Develop stunning and data-driven ad campaigns that highlight your affiliate offers, driving traffic to your landing pages. As a versatile AI tool, ChatGPT can handle advanced content needs, customer support scripts, or personalized product recommendations. Use ChatGPT to create conversational landing pages or chatbots that guide users to high-ticket offers based on their preferences. Ahrefs is a comprehensive SEO tool with AI-powered keyword analysis and backlink research. Identify high-traffic keywords and competitors in your niche. Create targeted content to rank for queries related to high-ticket products. HubSpot uses AI to analyze customer interactions and predict future behavior. Track leads and implement AI-driven marketing workflows to guide prospects through the decision-making process, increasing conversions. Combine these tools into a workflow. Start with keyword research using Ahrefs, create content with Jasper or Canva, optimize it with Surfer SEO, and use ActiveCampaign or HubSpot to manage and nurture leads. With AI automating and optimizing each step, you can focus on scaling your efforts and earning higher commissions. These tools help you work smarter, not harder, turning high-ticket affiliate marketing into a scalable and profitable venture. I'd love to hear about your experiences with passive income. Have you tried affiliate marketing, explored AI tools, or discovered other strategies that work for you? Share your thoughts, successes, or even challenges in the comments below. I'd be thrilled to start a conversation and exchange ideas. If you're interested in diving deeper into passive income strategies or learning more about how I can transform your approach, be sure to check out my other videos on these topics. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your efforts, you'll find actionable tips and insights to help you succeed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's build something amazing together.